Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple and effective way to view shared files in a group on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. Whether you're working on a project or need quick access to important documents, this guide will make the process effortless. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the official Telegram website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of chats and groups. Next, find the group where the shared files are located. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group. Once you've found it, click on the group to open the conversation. Now that you're inside the group chat, look at the top of the window for the group's name. Click on it to open the group's contact information. This section provides details about the group, including its members and shared media. In this menu, you'll see several options. Look for the Files section and click on it. This is where all documents shared within the group are neatly organized. You'll find everything from PDFs to images and other file types here. Browse through the list to locate the specific file you need. When you find it, simply click on it to open or download it directly to your PC for easy access later. To summarize: 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. 2. Find and open your desired group. 3. Click on the group's name at the top to access its contact info. Select Files to view all shared documents. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can easily access all shared files in a Telegram group on your PC. If this guide was helpful, make sure to share it with others who might find it useful. Happy file browsing!